Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and I never travel anywhere without these Neutrogena makeup cleansing wipes. I absolutely love the fact that these wipes come individually wrapped. This means that it is super easy for me to throw them in my makeup bag or my suitcase, and I always have them with me so that no matter what I'm doing throughout the day, what vacation I'm on, I can remove all my makeup at the end of the day. These wipes are the fragrance-free variety, and I've tried the fragrance ones as well, and I have to say that both perform really well at removing even the most stubborn makeup. Fragrances don't really tend to bother me personally, but I do have friends that are sensitive to it, so I like to include fragrance-free products as much as possible. These are incredibly soft and they are perfectly soaked and moistened with the makeup removing solution. They are very smooth and gentle against my sensitive skin, and they don't cause my eyes to sting at all. I am very impressed how they remove every last bit of makeup, even my waterproof mascara. These makeup removing wipes are amazing for me to have on hand so I can make sure to take care of my skin no matter where I am. And that's my point of view.